Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning back in and staying locked in with me. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. But today's video, we're going to talk about the LG Stylo 5. And one of the really cool things that I do like about this device that's actually pretty sick is when you go here to Metro by T-Mobile, you're gonna see this button right here that says device unlock. So that Metro by T-Mobile offers this button feature, which if you wait 6 months from when you bought it, you can actually activate that feature. So I remember I actually purchased this phone around August 24th or 5th, but right now it's I actually waited an extra 5 days from that day, or like 4 days. So basically it's been 6 months and 4 days. So let me just go to this button right here. And this is the first time I ever went into this app on this phone. So let's just go to continue. And then it says your device is network locked at this time, which prevents it from operating with other compatible wireless networks. To inquire about your device's unlock eligibility, please continue. So basically, we'll wait for this to load. And right here it says permanent unlock. So it says select this option if you would like to permanently request that your device be unlocked. So essentially what this will do is enable you to use any GSM SIM card which is outside of the T-Mobile network, like Cricket, AT&T, or any like umbrella company that is GSM, mainly so you can use it on a different network, and also switch SIM cards from other GSM networks, which is kind of cool. So a lot of people think, it does actually make a device more worth more if it does have the unlocked capability, because someone who is on, let's say, for instance, like Cricket can now use it on their T-Mobile SIM as well. So let me just hit this button, and this is absolutely free of charge. You don't get charged anything whatsoever. It's actually a new like a feature that's built into the phone, so it's actually 100% legal as well. You just have to wait the 6 months, but it says unlock approved, mobile devices permanently unlocked. So we're just gonna go to restart now, and pretty much after you do that, you basically have the ability to use a different SIM card on here, essentially. So that's kind of cool. But if I wanted to now like take out my SIM card from, let's say, my Exxon M right here, I could like transfer this SIM card over now, which is running on the Cricket Mobile, and pop it into my Metro phone, which is kind of sick if I did want to do that. But you can also travel abroad, and if any local GSM network, you could buy like a free SIM, like it's not free, but you can buy like minutes out there, like in that country or whatever. Like if you're not using one that's compatible with like that country, you could just buy one, pop it into your phone, and next thing you know, you get service, which is cool. But that's pretty much how you would do it. Now this thing does say it's unlocked. This is completely 100% legal and free as well. So if you did find this helpful, informative, or even the least bit useful in any way possible, make sure you hit the like button so you get notified when you hit the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. But in the meantime, make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you catch this. But you definitely want to hit that bell icon, and you definitely want to get notified for more future videos just like this. But hopefully you guys did find this information useful, and show your appreciation by hitting the bell so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But I'll check you guys out on the next video. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay locked in, and later crew. Peace.